In this video, I'll be showing you how to crop a webcam in OBS Studio. Start by selecting your webcam source. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then click and drag one of the corners. As you drag the side, it will begin to crop, and the line will turn green so you know what sides are being cropped. You can create a precise crop by right-clicking on the source and choosing Transform, then Edit Transform. Using the boxes at the bottom, you can crop specific amounts from each side. With a box selected, you can manually type in an amount of pixels you want to crop. Alternatively, you can press the arrow keys to make single pixel adjustments to each side. While in this window, you can also use the Alt Crop method to make bigger adjustments to your crop. Click Close when you're happy with the crop. With the source selected, you can press Ctrl-R on your keyboard to reset all of your transform changes.